Hello reception and welcome to Tuesday's maths session. How did you get on yesterday with our number of the week, number 16? For our warm-up activity today, we are going to do some counting and some matching. See if you can join in with me. You have to count the objects and match it with the correct numeral. Pause the video so you have time to count. Okay, remember when we are counting, we touch each one to make sure we don't miss any. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one's number 10? There it is. Let's have a look at the pairs. Let's count each one. Say each number name each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Which of these numbers is number 18? That's right. We've now got some hamsters. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is number 5? That's right. So that means there should be, how many umbrellas here? What number have we got left? 14. Let's check. How can we check? By counting, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There we go. Well done. Now, if you remember last week in our math sessions, you were looking at one more with Miss Lebesque. We had some fantastic work sent in. Here's some examples of what was sent in and all the super things you were doing at home. For our Numbot champions this week, I looked who had scored the highest number of correct answers in the last 7 days. Here they are. In RSL, it was Imogen P. In RCL, it was Jackson. In RBF, it was James. And in RLB, it was Ashton. Well done, those children. I wonder who will be top of our leaderboard next week. Maybe it'll be you. Today's learning objective is to find the total number of items in 2 groups by counting them all. To achieve today's learning objective, you must try and follow our steps to success. Have a look with me. Count each group of objects. Move the groups together. Count how many all together and check. If you do all those things, you should get a green for great and achieve today's learning objective. Our key vocabulary today, we've got count, addition, add, how many all together. Now, to help me with today's activity, I'm going to be using some coloured stars. I have got some pink stars in front of me. How many pink stars have I got? Let's check. How can we check how many stars we've got? What could we do? That's right, we could count them. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. I have got 3 pink stars. I've got some white stars. Here they are. How many white stars have I got? Let's count them together. 1, 2. I have got 2 white stars. I have got 3 pink stars and I have got 2 white stars. I want to know how many stars I've got all together. What am I going to do? Well, if I think back to my success criteria, I've counted each group. I now need to move them all together. I'm going to move all my stars together and I'm going to count them. Can you help me count them? Remember, we touch each star as we say each number name. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 5 stars all together. Here I have some different stars. How many orange stars have I got? Let's count and find out. 1. I have 1 orange star. How many blue stars do I have? Can you count them? That's right, I've got 1, 2, 3 blue stars. What do I need to do to find out how many I've got all together? Can you remember? Think back to our steps of success. That's right, I need to push them all together and count them. Here we go. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 stars all together. Here I have some more stars. I want to see if you can work this one out. I have some blue stars and I have some pink stars. I would like to know how many stars I have all together. Remember what you've got to do. You must count the blue stars first, then you must count the pink stars. Pause the video if you need more time. Then move them together and count them all together. How many stars have I got all together? Let's see. Let's count and check. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you count 7? Well done. For today's challenge, I would like you to have a go at finding how many altogether, just like I did. You don't have to use stars, you can use any objects you have around the house. The first chili challenge is for you to use up to 5 objects to complete the activity. Second chili challenge is to use up to 10 objects to complete the activity. And the third chili challenge today, you can either use dice or your digit cards to select how many are in each group. You then need to find out how many you have all together. You can use any numbers up to 20 or beyond. For today's activity, I would like you to just work practically, not to record or write down anything, apart from taking photos. Later in the week, we will be looking at how to write a number sentence. You must remember to count each object carefully. Remember to touch each object as you count it, saying 1 number name. Don't forget, to achieve Green for Great today, you need to remember our steps to success. Count each group, move them together and count how many all together. Please continue to email photos of your work to the reception email address, as teachers love to see all the super things you're getting up to at home and to see how much fun you're having.